This year, yeah, more be and she'll be Andy. On Tiasia, fire on. Yeah, more be and she'll be Andy. This is why we cannot trust our men, we cannot trust our women. And again, now most people would want to settle, but there's nobody to marry. Okona employee will be crampo wage me on to me dinner crenshaw because I've a fedian no winning so as so dupe you were sending your timmy greed and the way I come in. And you people don't see how it affects the whole society. It affects the nation. You don't know. It's sad for you to think selfishly, sit down and say, eh, to obey you, to why. Okona employee will be. I hope so we didn't crash. This is how it starts. Say I address here. We call Morocco. 2018. Baby, I could die. Jam my phone. Let me see camera. Film home. A free program na se back. That may be other them. People came there to clean or be in more than a sakamisi. You think said these things they happen just like that? No. They make a conscious effort to make sure say obi and you be there. Most sorry, I'm not saying the Christianity there. I sorry them when you be there kesi. Fa phone ko to sorry na he. Mo kan kore. E ma mo cheati. Ya kapena ya mo ya. Mo cheati mo ye cheats. You are cheats. You just don't want us to talk about it because you're women. And you hurt my feelings. And it's a fellow woman. Don't say stuff like that about her. Oh, well, this year we'll say it. What you want to ask my catcher? And Pena Combia watching. Say, when you say now, I'm a married man now. And you come home because what you better say, your mama might done his second wives. Uncle Kekio. Now, Uncle Milky will be a breadwinner. Now, my Janet at why is it totally what? What the better now fear? Your mama worry on. And to him said, the person you're working with, you're not proud of the person, you do not respect the person, but you are enjoying the money. You better think twice. To say, Obi Bano can say, me man is sick. I will say it to me, yeah, lost me, yeah. And your man, one, I'll show me what say, Obe worry on, now one warrior, will compensate you. And me man is would you musika, I went to now worry on one. You have to compensate them. You will have to compensate them. My my sister ning me na bloody. Or beard you POB. Or because you're so pay on him dainty. Or be best on him dainty. Selfish people, greedy people. And we women are contributing to this. And your man will have you even learned how to maintain them? Bring up Nyansa. Bring up Nyansa. Get knowledge first before you start chasing material things. And work on yourselves. Be a grace period. The universe gives us time for us to change our ways. And men sooner once, and you was say never. Yen na before baby mo. Amount time to turn around one turning. I'm sorry for you. And ran the best song. And ran the best song into bini. The proceeds that comes with greed. It be an imwasie. It be an inka. It be any into ba they come masema mommy enka. The homage money then. Journalists for money then. Oh, they can talk about people, we can't talk about them. We ain't not sure. But now until now, show so now would see there and mema name, you know. Oh, you become more sense. Nanso more body and in Katasu. You people will start thinking from today. Me, I've told you already, that's why I'm here. You see at the day, Obadu, Mebadu. On Tiasia, when we post, now we train respectfully. Also, when you're woman, you can't come with your main account all the time. Obana will be through jobs now. They be no matter take. In Tefre, we are near young when you more until. When you after 25 years, when you baby drew 30 something, Aqua could drew 40s. You can't work on your own self. Who's we a leader? No. Makacham already. Leadership starts with self-governance. You have to be able to govern your own self. Mastery of self, mastery of all. You can't come and become my role model if you cannot even control your own self. If you cannot even be accountable for Bibiawaye. Mbabe Jai is suno. So by bibi ni ko kapen wa sheda no di su. Esuni e de kata nyoma so na ni na ebe Jai. We're going to push the tears aside and deal with you. That's the level we want to get to. In Kola by now, they should be learning robotics to horror. Worth. They think some sense of worth. How did we get there? You think it's by what? You don't think it's by all the things we're seeing. We're selfish into more ready. You think some of us we read just because we want to talk, we want to speak like this? No. You read it because we want to help other people. We are not selfish people. The things that we've learned, we have seen the blanco for. And I don't have to go to a radio station. Thank God for TikTok. Pat, what are you doing? Before you come here and spew nonsense, no. Most of you girls, I can't even expose you people. Why would need content? I will be twerking. I be mama opportunity no. Say they are torn. My young, I hear OG. The wild first send your way and offer it there and family. Say a frau basse a hina OG. Now one pesa and you're strong. Yes, sanitize it. You screen the song. Enough is enough. Or by far for now, no channel. Oh yeah, I know only content. Oh, who said me being here? Read on personal development books. Let me develop your own. Read books. Some of you have more communication skills. Yeah, if you want to bomb, you should come empty. There will be man say sra container shepe, but she empty. This year, we're going to be better, whether you like it or not. Then you will be trained. Now, one person will jumping on that bus, on my jumping, because we're going to change the society. In Kolano, they'll become better than us. That's how we live. We don't live for ourselves, we live for other people.